Mazda unveils the MX5 30th Anniversary Edition. Here are some of the exclusive features. Racing orange body color, raised forged aluminum wheels, 30th Anniversary badge, orange brake calipers and orange accents on the seats, Recaro seats, Bilstein dampers, Brembo front brake calipers in orange, Nissan rear brake calipers, Bose sound system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in select markets.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome President and CEO of Mazda North American Operations, Masahiro Moro.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us in Chicago on a day that is so meaningful to Mazda. 30 years ago, right where I'm standing, we debuted MX5 Miata NA. This vehicle not only defined a new segment, it shows the world what Mazda is capable of. From our small company comes big ideas. This performance vehicle was among our boldest, not just because of its distinctive sporty design. Our concept was to give driver a car that was lots of fun. A fun roadster for open-air driving, a fun lightweight sports car at the track, fun to modify and customize, and uniquely fun for a community of Miata fans. Overnight, the Miata became known as fun to drive. At Mazda, we call this exhilaration Jinba Itai. It is sensation of oneness between car and driver, like unity between horse and rider. This vehicle feels like a natural extension of the body. This principle led Mazda's engineers and designers in developing the Miata NA. It was thrilling to watch this happen. As Deputy Program Manager for the second-gen Miata NB, I witnessed our team's dedication to follow the same philosophy of what Mazda's lightweight sports car must be. When we had increased the safety and meet environmental requirements, it would have been easy to make the car fatter and heavier. But we challenge ourselves to find breakthroughs, no compromises. The Miata must remain a Miata. The team's tenacity paid off. The same joyful harmony between the car and driver from the first Miata NA 30 years ago is present in each generation's DNA. In fact, we passed the torch of Jinba Itai onto our entire lineup of vehicles from the all-new Mazda 3 to the 3-row CX-9. You can understand why we regard the MX5 Miata as the heart and soul of Mazda.